How you can analyze your own skin type. There are three types of skin. One is normal to dry, one is normal to oily, and the third is combination. Normal to dry skin, you will always feel that whenever you get up in the morning, you will be having that kind of stretch onto your skin and you have that urge of applying moisturizer as soon as you wash your face. Normal to oily skin people will always feel that they do not want to apply anything onto their face. I'm not talking about the month of specifically winters when everybody wants to apply moisturizer because of the winters. But most of the season, normal to oily skin people will be having that urge that they do not want to apply anything, which is wrong. I'll be telling you why. Let's talk about the combination skin. People who are having combination skin, they will be always having T-zone oily and C-zone dry. T-zone is this particular area which includes your forehead, your nose area, your cupid bow and your chin area, and C-zone means cheek area. That means combination skin people will be always having little bit of zits, acne, boils onto their forehead, nose area, on their upper lip area and around their mouth area, and their cheek area will be mostly dry. But what other skin related issues are, what every skin can have. So let me talk about first acne. Normal to dry skin people can also have acne, normal to oily skin people can also have acne, and combination skin can also have acne. If you are in the age of 16 to 20, you will be having a hormonal imbalances and you can feel acne around your T-zone. If your skin is oily, of course you will be getting your acne on your forehead, on your nose area and on your mouth area. So you need to take care of your skin. But if you are under the category of normal to dry skin and you are having acne on your C-zone area, which is your cheek area, please check your hormonal imbalances. Maybe your menstrual cycle is not right. Second situation for the acne, I'm only talking about acne or zits or boils. And if you are in the category of 20 to 30 years of age, that means, and if you are getting acne only on your cheek area, that means you are having and your body is facing hormonal imbalances. You need to get them rectified if you have normal to dry skin. And even if you have normal to oily skin, even if you have combination skin where your C-zone is dry and your T-zone is oily and you are getting acne and your age is 20 to 30 years of old age, then that means that you have hormonal imbalances. If you have acne on your Y zone, which is this area, that means you eat mostly hot and spicy food. So you need to rectify your diet as well to control your acne. There are a whole lot of skin related issues which I really want to enlighten all of you. First is your pigmentation. Then is your uneven skin tone, your sunburn, your suntan, your aging. There are a whole lot of skin related issues. I'll be talking about each issue slowly and gradually. So let's get started and let's not make this workshop very complicated for all of you. It will be a fun workshop, I can promise you that. So before jumping on to application techniques, I really want to focus that what is the most important step in any skincare ritual or even in our facial workshop. First step is called cleansing. What is cleansing and why it is important? It is very, very important to use a cleanser for your face. It is the basic step. It is the basic starting of your skincare ritual, whether you are doing a facial or whether you are doing it on a daily basis. And I always focus that you should do your skincare ritual at least 2 times in a day, once in the morning and once in the night. But let me brief you why it is important. Any skin cleanser always opens up your pores, remove the grime, remove the dirt, the pollution, whatever has accumulated onto your skin, and it makes your skin ready for the second step, which is called toning. Toner is important for all skin types, whether you have normal to dry skin, normal to oily skin, hypersensitive skin, you have acne prone skin. Please never ever miss this step called toner. I know this is a subjective topic, but I personally prefer that you all should never ever miss this step called toner. Okay, so my next third step, which is again an important step of my facial workshop and even for your skincare ritual, is called exfoliation. You have also heard it as a scrubbing process. Yes, exfoliating your skin, scrubbing is very, very important and it plays a very important role in your skincare ritual. I'll be telling you when you should use it, when you should not use it later on, but first understand what this step means and how it should be performed and for how many times it should be performed on your skin for that amazing effect. Exfoliation means that we'll be removing your dead skin cells which gets accumulated naturally onto your skin and it acts as a barrier against many pollution, and it also acts a barrier onto your skin. Whenever we use exfoliator or scrub or peeling materials, they always remove the dead skin cells and our skin starts breathing better. We get that amazing radiance onto our skin. So we should always do this step called scrubbing in our skincare ritual. How many times, you must be wondering, that should we do it on a daily basis then? No, the answer is no. You should do only once a week this step called scrubbing. And if you have hypersensitive skin, you have normal to dry skin, you can also use scrub once in 10 days. If you have acne and if you have active acne onto your face, whether it is on your C-zone or on your T-zone, please avoid doing scrubbing onto your active acne. You can really ruin your skin. One most important thing regarding the exfoliation, I really want to say to every one of you, if you are doing it, my facial workshop for yourself, or if you are a beauty therapist, you are a salon owner, you are a spa therapist, you are an esthetician, whatever, you should never do your exfoliation on your eye area. You should always avoid it. I have seen so many estheticians doing this common mistake, that while exfoliating their client's face, they always apply scrub onto their under eye area. You should never ever do that. That's a very bad thing you can do to your skin, or you can do it to anyone's skin. Your under eye area, as I have told you, it doesn't have any kind of oil glands. So why you are exfoliating it? Why you are making it more dry? Don't do that. Avoid this step called exfoliation to your under eye area. Always. Exfoliation or scrubbing onto your active acne, kindly avoid it. As we have exfoliated our skin, you should never ever miss out this thing called lip scrub. Yes, your lips also require that kind of exfoliation. Whether you are in any type of season, you are doing any kind of facial, you should never ever miss this step called lip exfoliation. I know some of you must be hearing it for the very first time. It is very important. Whenever you apply your lipstick, you can see that your lipstick get chapped and it looks really shabby. So what to do, what not to do? So here is the solution. You should always do lip exfoliation, and you should do lip exfoliation at least once a week. And I have given you the recipe how you can make your own DIY lip scrub. After doing a lip exfoliation, you will always feel that your lips are really soft and supple, which you have never felt before. Let me talk to people, those who are beauty therapists, those who are spa therapists, those who are estheticians or salon owners. I know you have never heard of this thing called lip exfoliation, and it never existed in our industry, but start exfoliating your clients' lips as well. And definitely you can give the lip scrub to them only. Do not use it on any other client. Start using this step and start using disposable tissues for the cleansing part. Never ever use cotton, never ever use sponges. It is not at all hygienic. Always use disposable tissues, specifically while you are removing your client's lip scrub. And of course, I have also given you the recipe of lip balm. Yes, you can make your own DIY lip balm, that too without any harmful chemical and preservative, and you can make it easily. If you are doing this DIY facial workshop at your home for yourself or for your friends or sister or for your mother and your mother-in-law, of course, you can do their lip exfoliation, and their lip scrub should be separate than yours. It is very hygienic and you should always do it. As you brush your teeth, you take care of your teeth and you really want your smile to be vibrant, but you do not pay importance to your lips, do you? And if you do, then it is amazing. And if you haven't heard of this step called lip exfoliation, you are hearing for the very first time. So let me tell you, I am not a scientist. I am not talking about rocket science. It is very, very important. Start doing it, lip exfoliation, and it will brighten your smile. You will never have that kind of dry and chappy lips, and your lipstick will always look nice and people will always appreciate your smile. I can give you in writing. Steaming. Why we should steam our face and why it is important. After doing the exfoliation, your dead skin cells get removed with the help of the exfoliation, but sometimes you have so much of clogged pores that you need that kind of extra steam, and of course steam will open up your pores and we can remove blackheads very easily, because our blackheads and whiteheads really get softened up after exfoliation, and our skin is very tender, our skin is very soft after steaming. But there will be a very special way of steaming, which I'll be talking about later. I'm only talking about the very basic things right now before I start telling you about the application techniques and what are the do's and don'ts of every step. So next step of my DIY facial workshop is massaging. Again, one very most important point, if you have active acne onto your forehead or onto your T-zone, I should say, or on your C-zone, please do not massage your face. You can apply the massage gel onto your face, let it sit there for good 5 to 10 minutes and just rinse it off. Do not massage your face if you have active acne. You always massage your face to improve blood circulation, to stimulate your facial muscles, to relax the tension, and to give that immense glow. How it is possible that a massage can give you that glow? Of course, yes, it is possible, and you will see in the application techniques, when we have done the exfoliation, we have removed all dirt and grime through the help of our extraction, how we'll be extracting blackheads and whiteheads, which I'll be showing you. Your skin is ready for the penetration, and yes, I'll be telling you how we can penetrate massage cream and massage gel into our skin really nicely, and you'll be amazed to see the glow. Every skin type should go for this step called massage, but we'll be reducing and we'll be increasing the time according to the skin type. I'll be talking about it later as well in my application technique. What is the importance of facial massage? Your facial massage will always stimulate your facial muscles. It will help in removing lymphatic fluid which is always there, which has a whole lot of toxins. It improves your blood circulation. It also gives you that anti-aging benefits, and it will make your face look more vibrant and radiant after your face massage. How? I'll be telling in the application techniques. Next step, which I should say is my most important step after the massage, is called the pack, the face mask. Whether you have any kind of skin, whether you have acne, whether you have hypersensitive skin, whether you have normal to dry skin, normal to oily skin, any kind of skin, never ever forget to try, never ever forget to do the patch test behind your ears, so that you should be knowing that you are not allergic to that particular fruit or that particular thing, whatever you are gonna apply to your face, because I do not know that from where you are sourcing your fruits or the rest of the things. So it is very important to do a patch test before application of your any mask. Always do a patch test before applying it to your full face. How to apply a mask? I'll be definitely showing you how to apply a mask, but very important thing I really want to emphasize here is this: never ever apply your face mask on your under eye area. Always apply your face mask onto your full face. Let it sit there for good 10 to 12 minutes and then rinse it off. What is the importance of face mask and why we should not skip it or why we should apply it? So the answer is here, because you have already done the exfoliation, you have extracted your blackheads and whiteheads, you have taken this steam, you have massaged your face, and still your pores are open. Although naturally your skin, your pores always get closed on its own, but still you should always apply a face mask after your face massage cream, because your pores are still open, although they get closed on their own, but still you should never ever miss this important step called face masking, and you should always do it with the facial or without the facial. You should never ever miss this step called face mask. Whenever you feel that you have that kind of saggy skin, the face mask will be your savior. It will give you that tightening effect, it will give you that uplifting effect, it will also shrink, and it will also reduce your open pores to a certain extent. Of course it will take time, but you should never ever miss this important step called face mask. So next step is called under eye mask. I know some of you must have heard it and some of you must have seen me applying under eye mask in my classes, but let me tell to all of you, those who have never seen me doing that or you have never heard anywhere about these, under eye masks are innovative product. Why we should apply it and what are the benefits of it? Let me first tell you about that. Our under eye area doesn't have any kind of oil glands, so we always need to hydrate it. We always need to take special care of the dark circle area. In fact, I should say the whole eye area doesn't have any kind of oil glands, so always apply your under eye mask. If you have any kind of darkness around your eye area, if you have any kind of puffiness, if you have water retention problem, your fine lines are always troubling you, your crow's feet are always disturbing your pictures, so what to do? So this is the solution what you have. You should always apply your under eye mask. Next step is called face serum. Face serum will be always containing either flaxseed gel or aloe vera gel as a base, and everyone should apply face serum onto their full face, but make sure you will not apply your face serum onto your under eye area. Again, why? Because your face moisturizer or your face serum is meant for your face, that your under eye area is more dehydrated. It always needs special care and special attention, and we have formulated our under eye products accordingly. as per our skin type, or I should say as per our undry skin type. After doing our face serum application, we'll be applying our face moisturizer. Again, I am saying this, never ever apply your face moisturizer onto your undry area. Why? Because your undry area needs more hydration, it needs more care, and it doesn't have any kind of oil gland. So we have prepared a separate product which is called undry cream or oil, and we'll be applying that particularly undry cream only to our undry area. So last but not the least, this step is called undry cream or serum or oil. You must have heard so many creams and you must have bought them as well, but I know many of you really forget to apply undry cream and moisturizer or oils. There are a whole lot of things available in the market, and I have also told you how you can take care of your undry area, as you know that your undry area needs a whole lot of attention and care, and you can see the first signs of aging around your undry only. So what are you waiting for? That comment or that particular message from your friend that you have started aging. You don't want that, isn't it? Come on, start beating the signs of aging with my DIY facial workshop now.